Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Acura key fob. I'm going to be using a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, and you're also going to need a 1616 battery. You can get all this off Amazon. I've included the links below in the description. I will take you straight there. So on this bottom side here, there's a little Phillips head. Go ahead and remove that screw. Once you take that out, this piece will become loose. So go ahead and pry that up and out like that. Then go ahead and just push your buttons, and this is where the battery is stored. So on this side right here, by the panic button, there's a little indentation. Go ahead and put your screwdriver there and pry the two pieces apart. Now you have access to your battery here. Pry it out right there. Remove your dead battery and make sure you place the new battery positive side facing downward. Press it in firmly. Okay, now that goes right there. Make sure that all clips back together. You can test right here. Make sure you got your red light. Put this back in here. Clip this back in like so. Put your screw back in and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.